Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Solana Kit token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website at SOLKIT, they believe in sharing the cream. A portion of every fee collected on their platform is distributed back to their token holders. The larger their share of the P, or should they say, the more they participate, the larger the share of the P, or should they say, the bigger their bowl of milk. Solana Kit features. First features is intuitive token creation. Second features is liquidity management. Third features is transfer token and Solana. And fourth feature is market creation. This step into the marketplace with on creation. Solana Kit token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is also 100 million. Solana Kit token, SOLKIT token is listed on Radium, Jupiter, Orca and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.